is a heat wave, and we're not sure if the signal problems is because of the heat wave or just because trains are crap in general. But hopefully we will get there in the end. We missed our connection because
the train was an hour late.
Stupid trains. And then we couldn't get into Starbucks because the doors weren't open, but there were people in there, and so we were sitting on a curb because there's not enough benches. Waiting for our connection. You have to tell them what happened, Dan.
We waited around for the next train, and then minutes before we should have been there, it was cancelled. And now we're on a bus.
Now we're on a bus seeing the sights of Exeter, which is great. Just the sounds of Oakhampton behind us there. So we are here. It's been a hell of a journey, but we're here. There is Anne's tent, and there my tent, and we think we've protected ourselves from the worst of the sun by pitching in this little corner. The worst of the sun in the morning. It is 6:20 and we are up very early to beat the heat. Oh, there's Anne. Yay! We're so happy because yeah, it's gonna be really hot very soon, so we are off. Currently on the Tarka trail, which is very nice, gorgeous views. Sadly Briar is not with us. She was supposed to be with us. We were going to do a flatter path with a better surface so she could come in her buggy, but because it's a heat wave today, I thought it would have been a very bad idea and not fair or safe for her at all, so she'll have to come another time, I'm afraid. Let you stroke it.
Good. We're walking to where we're going to camp.
We have been to the pub. We've had lots of carbs and sugar, and nearly had an ice cream, except the shop closed at 3 o'clock, which is apparently a Devon thing. And now we are making a very slow walk to where we might camp tonight, although we might be waylaid by another pub, maybe.
And maybe some ice cream somewhere else.
Maybe. Maybe. Damn it! Damn it! There we go. Just going to stand in the middle, Anne. Like some kind of offering. Nice. Very good. Anne's first wild camp, yay! And the sun is coming up over there. So this was our camp spot. Morning, Anne.
Hi.
And as you can see, we have left nothing but flattened grass. Hashtag leave no trace. You decent, Anne? So Anne, do you want to tell people about the different men that we've come into contact with on our trip?
I'll tell you about the nice man, and you can tell them about the
Okay.
interesting man.
Okay.
We had a nice man who we met on the first day, so we were going over the bridge, and he told us the better way to go to get to Dartmoor, so it wasn't super steep. Very nice, very friendly, lovely black dog.
Yes.
Then we did our day. We went to the pub, and then on the way back we saw him again in a different village, and he said, "Oh, I saw you girls earlier." And we were like,
Probably
yeah.
thinking that we're stalking him by that point.
Fine, nice, chance encounter.
But the best
This morning,
encounter.
we go for a swim. Lovely swim, very cold, very wet obviously. I strip off when we get out, and who comes along? Man and his dog.
Our friend!
He definitely saw my boobs.
Well, he was privileged.
Indeed.
So yeah, he was a nice man. The slightly stranger encounter last night, we camped not that far from the nine stones stone circle near Bellstone Tor, and when it was nearly dark, the sun was just setting, a man showed up and he walked about maybe a couple of 100 meters from us where we had our tent set up, and he just stood there in a strange pose, staring. Looked like he was staring at the sunset, to be fair. Like, that's fine, obviously you can stare at the sunset, but it was the fact that he was like not that far away from us, and he didn't acknowledge us or say hello to us or anything, and he stayed there till it was dark. He didn't put up a tent or anything. Well, we thought he had maybe put up a tent, but then we realised it was a rock. And then in the morning he was gone.
We did the weird dancing.
Oh yeah, no, he did the dancing.
When it was dark.
Anne has better night vision than me, and she said she could see him doing dancing. So in the morning, like, I could see what I thought was maybe his tent, and I was still curious, and it was light, so I was feeling braver, and I kind of walked a little way up the path, and it turns out what I thought was his tent was actually one of the biggest stones of the stone circle, and he'd actually been dancing in the middle of the stone circle, which is maybe after dark, which is maybe fine and innocent, but yeah, freaked us out a little bit. But yeah, there you go.
Wait, then when we saw him again.
Yeah, and what's inspired us to film this is we're just walking along the river after our swim, and he's standing on the other side of the river holding a pose. I mean, maybe he's doing Tai Chi or something, I don't know, but slightly strange vibe about him, would you say, Anne? It's fair to say? Is that? Yeah. But yeah, if that's, I'm sure he's not watching. So, yeah, I'd be astonished.
And if he is, you're scared of.
And if he is, that's, yeah, we're a little bit freaked out. But yeah, anyway.